Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether you can access Vanguard Plus or the Vanguard Cash Plus account through the Vanguard mobile app. When managing your short-term cash and long-term investments simultaneously, platform accessibility is everything. If you are looking at the Vanguard Cash Plus account, which functions as a high-yield cash management option offering competitive interest rates and FDIC insurance through network partner banks, you want to know how easily you can track it on your phone. The short answer is yes. You can view and manage your Vanguard Cash Plus account directly alongside your other traditional investment portfolios, brokerage accounts, and retirement funds using the official Vanguard mobile application. The platform is engineered so that your primary dashboard acts as an all-in-one financial hub. Once you log into the application on either iOS or Android, your cash management features are fully integrated into your overall user profile. This means you do not need to switch between entirely separate applications or constantly log into a desktop browser just to check your liquid savings balance or track your monthly interest accumulation. Through the mobile application interface, you gain the capability to oversee vital account metrics and perform necessary routine actions. You can monitor your current annual percentage yield, view detailed transaction history, and check your overall asset distribution at a glance. Furthermore, the app facilitates smooth navigation for moving your capital. You can handle electronic bank transfers, initiate next-day bank transfers to connected external checking or savings accounts, and keep tabs on your deposits without hassle. For investors who utilize additional features like mobile check deposits or linking external payment systems, the app streamlines those processes as well. Setting up e-delivery for statements to keep your account fee-free can also be managed right inside your security and profile preferences on the mobile interface. While advanced or highly specific account configurations may occasionally require a desktop session, everyday monitoring, balance checking, and standard cash movements for your Cash Plus account are fully supported on the go. This level of mobile integration ensures that your cash strategy remains just as accessible as your equity and mutual fund holdings, keeping your entire financial ecosystem visible in one centralized digital space. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.